Welcome back to the Random Vids channel. In this video, I'll make a dumbbell rack out of 3 8-foot 2x4s. Okay, so these are all the pieces. I'll rip 2 of these on the table saw. Now I'll bevel the edges of these pieces. Okay, now it's all set up, so now I'll run my pieces through. Okay, now I'll assemble all the pieces. Okay, so these will be the bottom pieces, and these will be the sides. Now I'll attach these. So I angle this 15 degrees so that it's easier to take out the dumbbells. There we go. Okay. So I'll space these out 9 inches from each other so that I have just enough room to put the dumbbell in. And that should be 2.5. Yep, 2.5. Okay. And then measure 9 inches. Okay, now I'll screw it in. There we go. 15. Yeah, 15. Okay. There we go. So now I'm going to cut slots in both the side pieces. As you can see, they're a little bit taller than we would need, and this will be for a barbell. So I can put a barbell on top and dumbbells on the shelves. Now I'll cut it out with the Sawzall. Now it's all done. Now I just have to fill it up. Yeah, this one's a little bit too big. So now it's all set up. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Okay, these are all the pieces. Okay, so that wasn't a good idea.